Hey cake nieces, it's Marisha. I have another cake in Convo. It's really cake decoration and conversation video where I'm going to answer a comment from one of the cake nieces while in the background you see me make a random cake that was pretty much like too short for a full video but too long for a short video. I'm going to show you guys how I made this button-down shirt cake. They wanted something very simple, straightforward, a shirt with some buttons. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Diksha Punjabi comments, what is vanilla pudding actually? Please tell me. Wow. Okay, so vanilla pudding is a custard. If you are making it from scratch, oftentimes it's thickened with cornstarch, but you can also just do cream, eggs, sugar, and vanilla, or vanilla bean, vanilla extract, and get a really good vanilla pudding. If you're in a different country, you may not know what vanilla pudding is because we don't all have everything. The other cake needs to comment is by Melanie Calero. She says, I love your videos, thank you. Is it true you need to be good at math to be a baker? Let's break that down, shall we? To be a baker, no, because when you're talking about baking, anybody can bake. If you decided to get a job at a bakery, you may need to measure. In that case, it's not technically being good at math, but it is just being good at measurements and, you know, stuff like that. But if you're talking about a business owner or like, you know, something that you're running yourself, you should be good at math because math in general covers a lot of different areas. You have to be good at certain formulas. So you have to know your profit margin formulas and your revenue. You want to be able to count everything together, how much you spent, how much inventory you actually have. It is possible to run your business without all of that, just on a smaller scale. If you're just taking a couple customers here and there and you're just making cake and you know that you're making a good profit, it feels good to you, then that's great. But by the time that you start getting a good amount of people coming in, you do want to make sure that you at least know the basics of how much you're spending versus how much you're taking in. Because the whole point of the business is to make money. So if it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense, right? You don't want to be giving your talents away, giving away your experience, because ultimately people are paying not just for a cake, but for the years that you invested into yourself to have all of this good talent and experience. You buying all of this, all of this. Make sure that you at least can say, okay, I just went to the market. The receipt says $20. So you should at least be making $80 to make a decent something. Be able to multiply. And I want to have a profit margin of 20%. You can get by without being good at math, but you should at least know formulas. Just when you get serious and when you start to really get some traffic, you always know what's going on with your business. You want to always know. Don't let somebody else come and tell you what's going on with your business. You want to be the brain of it all. It's a simple question, but yet the answer could be pretty technical. It gets kind of deep out here, you know. So I hope that that was a good one. What do you guys think of this cake? Can you see why I didn't feel like making it an actual like full video? It's very straightforward. I believe the flavor is dulce de leche. 3 layers of vanilla cake with dulce de leche filling. The fondant is my homemade marshmallow fondant. Simple, straight to the point, and a really cool cake for somebody who wears shirts. Specifically button-down shirts. Once again, subscribe to the channel. Leave a thought-provoking comment down below so that I can answer it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, cake nieces.